Welcome back to the show, everyone. It's Cynthia, your host, and I have to give an update to the update, and it's not good news. Just recently, I produced a new video talking about the latest updates to the Carnival Jubilee, and the video, I'll post it right here. It'll be down in the description link below, just in case you've missed it. But I gave you the latest updates on the Carnival Jubilee, the progress toward our brand new ship. And then 2 days later, I got an email. I'm gonna put the email up here on the screen. I'm gonna cut to the chase though. The email is letting us know the cruise is canceled. That's right, our 2023 November group cruise with Right Recipe for Travel has been canceled. Let's take a look here at this email that we received. It says guest advisory. Carnival Jubilee revised delivery date, canceled sailings. And then it goes on to say all of the sailings will be canceled up and through and including December 16th of this year. This email was dated December 9th of 2023, and it reads, "We have been informed by officials at the Meyer Werft shipyard in Papenburg that delivery of the Carnival Jubilee will be delayed. Consequently, the ship will begin service from Galveston December 23rd of 2023. So this is several cruises later than what it should initially have started out of Galveston. Let me continue to read. "We have been working closely with the shipyard to keep Carnival Jubilee's delivery date on schedule, but global supply chain logistics and other matters make it clear that additional time is required so that the ship can give our guests the vacation experience they expect. We sincerely apologize for this and share your disappointment. We are informing you as soon as this was confirmed to us, as we recognize you may want to make alternative vacation plans." It goes on to say that we are committed to making this a simple process for you and to also give you an incentive to book another vacation with us. Below is some information to help you know what to expect and assist with your planning efforts. So just to kind of boil it down, they're giving us options. They're going to give everyone a future cruise credit of 25% for this cruise. The cruises are canceled and your funds will be returned back to you in full, including all port charges, taxes, fees. If you've made any excursions or anything that you spent, the totality of it will be returned on the payment that you used to book this. And it could take up to 3 weeks for that process, but you don't need to contact them. You don't need to call them. The refunds will be given automatically. And if you book another cruise with Carnival, and they give us up to December 15th of 2023. If you book another cruise with Carnival, you will receive a 25% future cruise credit. They give an additional incentive. If you decide to book the Jubilee again, and you make that decision to book and make a booking before February 10th of 2023, not only will you receive the 25% future cruise credit, but each person in the cabin will receive a $100 onboard credit. Also, if for any reason you've already booked your travel arrangements, such as your flights into Galveston, contact Carnival and they will work with you on, I guess, getting a refund for that. They go on to say, they're very sorry that they had to do this, but they're working very hard to make sure this new ship, the Carnival Jubilee, meets our expectations and or succeeds them. I'm disappointed. I'm very, very disappointed. And that is probably not the word that I would necessarily use to define the feelings that I had when I read this email. But what can you do? What can you do? So I'm here to just give an update for Right Recipe for Travel family. Obviously, the ship will not be here when we are scheduled to sail, and our sailing has been canceled. So the Right Recipe for Travel group cruise, I can't even spit it out. The disappointment is leaking out. Has been canceled. Right now, we have not determined when we will schedule our next group cruise, and we also haven't determined when we will sail on the Carnival Jubilee. We're working it all out, but we will make sure to give our Right Recipe for Travel family plenty of notice, plenty of update. If you are part of our Facebook group, I will give additional updates to all of you on our Facebook page as well. This is sad news. I know that this happens. It's all part of the cruise world, the cruise industry, and also what's going on in our world now, supply chain issues, logistics. It does happen. I'm just extremely sad and disappointed that it's happened for our brand new Carnival Jubilee. We will regroup, we will pivot, and we will cruise again. That's the good news. Stay tuned on the channel, and I will keep you posted for any updates. So saying that, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I thank all of you who have subscribed to our Right Recipe for Travel family. It is wonderful to have you as part of the family. We will continue to give updates. So thank you so much for this not good news at all. We'll keep you posted, and I'll catch you at the next adventure.